Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
And our cow Thresh here at Wrapsesh. Oh, that got him excited. Don't touch his butt.
Don't touch his butt.
We're doing a really fun project this week on this, I believe it's called an Aterra Overlander. It's like a camper. And we're doing this for Rebecca with Real Science for Kids. So basically, Rebecca has this really fancy PhD. She basically wrote all these books out for child education, and they're science books that actually include like the atomic theory and stuff about atoms and chemistry and things that a lot of science books nowadays are missing. So they're actually going on a US tour with this camper, and they're promoting their books and trying to get this education out there, real science education for kids. So that's kind of the whole theme that we're running with.
Yeah.
Is kids discovering science and chemistry and keeping atoms in school books and things like that. So with that being said, we had this design with Malachowski project, and it was printed on Avery 1105 EZRS with their gloss laminate, and we're also using the Avery 2126 window perf, I believe is what it is. Don't quote me on those numbers. This is all printed on our Mutoh 1682 SR eco-solvent printer, and we're just gonna get wrapping on it.
I really like the design on it.
Yeah, it's kind of like galaxy vibe, really bright and colorful.
Yeah. It's got a lot of colors. It's gonna definitely stand out as they travel around.
Yes,
the
we
US.
want it to be we want it to be eye-catching and engaging, and you know, all that kind of good stuff. So, and your shirt matches.
I know.
I just realized.
I did that on purpose.
All right, let's get at her. Get at her, Thresh.
Get at her.
Get at her. Get at her. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week on this Overlander camper wrap for Real Science for Kids. If you guys need a quote on doing a custom or a business wrap, you can reach out to us at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe. And we'll see you next week.
There he goes. He's gone. Ate it.